Hi, I'm Sophia from Volkswagen Waterloo. Here in Ontario, winter driving can be unpredictable. One day it's sunny, and the next you're navigating snow, ice, and freezing rain. But with the right preparation, the right tires, and a few smart driving habits, you can make winter driving safer and a lot less stressful. Let's start with a few tips on getting your Volkswagen ready for the season. The best way to begin is with a winter maintenance checkup. Whether you book it on its own or as part of your scheduled service, it's a great way to ensure your Volkswagen is ready for cold weather driving. Our factory-trained technicians can inspect your battery, brakes, tires, and heating system. All the things you count on most when the temperatures drop. Catching small issues now can help you avoid bigger problems later. It's also a good idea to keep at least half a tank of fuel in your vehicle throughout the winter. This helps prevent moisture from building up in your fuel system and provides a bit of extra weight for stability on slippery roads. Before the first frost hits, double check that you have an ice scraper in good condition and washer fluid rated for -40 degrees Celsius. Using winter-grade washer fluid, as recommended by the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario, prevents freezing and helps you maintain visibility during snow and sleet. Another great step is to assemble a winter survival kit to keep in your Volkswagen. Include items like a fully charged phone, bottled water, non-perishable snacks, a flashlight, jumper cables, a small shovel, traction mats or sand, candles, and a lighter. These essentials can make all the difference if you ever find yourself stuck or waiting for roadside assistance. Every Ontario driver knows winter driving conditions can be tough, but winter tires make all the difference. According to the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario, winter tires improve traction and control in frost, snow, and icy conditions and can shorten braking distances by up to 25%. Even if your Volkswagen is equipped with 4Motion all-wheel drive, winter tires are still essential. While 4Motion helps with traction and control, it doesn't reduce braking distance the way winter tires can. It's important to install a complete set of 4 winter tires, not just 2. Mixing tire types can reduce handling and stability. When choosing your winter set, look for the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol on the sidewall. That's how you know it's certified for severe snow conditions. Most Volkswagen models come equipped with all-season tires, but don't let the name fool you. They're not designed for true winter conditions. All-season tires start losing grip when temperatures drop below about 7 degrees Celsius, even on dry pavement. That's why we recommend switching to winter tires around late October or early November, once the temperatures consistently hit that mark. Many Ontario insurance companies also offer discounts for vehicles equipped with winter tires, so check with your provider. And while Ontario does not require them by law, it's worth noting that Quebec mandates winter tires from December 1st to March 15th. Once you're driving on your winter set, check your tire pressure regularly. Cold temperatures naturally lower tire pressure, which can affect both handling and fuel efficiency. Inspect your tires for any signs of damage. Things like potholes, curbs, or hidden debris under the snow can cause issues over time. All right, your Volkswagen is prepped and your tires are ready. Now let's talk about how to handle yourself on the road. When driving in winter, the best advice is simple: slow down and stay in control. Most winter collisions happen because vehicles are going too fast for the conditions. Drive cautiously, avoid sudden movements, and remember that it takes longer to stop on snowy or icy roads. Avoid using cruise control on slippery surfaces. It limits your reaction time when the roads change unexpectedly. When steering through a curve or merging onto a snowy road, do it gently. Hard braking, sudden acceleration, or quick gear changes can cause your tires to lose traction. If you do start to skid, take your foot off the brake and steer in the direction you want the car to go. Just be careful not to overcorrect, because that can cause your vehicle to spin. Always give yourself extra space between you and the vehicle ahead. On icy roads, that extra distance could be what prevents a collision. Stay focused and alert. Put your phone away, keep both hands on the wheel, and watch for changes in the road surface. Asphalt in the winter should look grayish-white. If it appears black and shiny, it could be ice. Remember that bridges, overpasses, and shaded areas tend to freeze first. When visibility drops, make sure to see and be seen. Use your Volkswagen's full lighting system in heavy snow or fog. And if conditions become too severe, find a safe place to pull over and wait until the weather improves. Sometimes the safest move is just to pause your trip until the road's clear again. And finally, a few words about driving near snowplows. If you see a plow or salt truck on the highway with flashing blue lights, stay back and give them plenty of room. Never try to pass a working snowplow. Blowing snow can make it impossible to see, and the ridge of snow left behind can be dangerous to cross. Be patient. Plows clear roads in sections, and you'll usually be on your way within 20 or 30 minutes. Winter driving in Ontario demands patience, preparation, and a bit of extra care. But with the right habits and a Volkswagen built for your Canadian conditions, you'll be ready for whatever the season throws your way. Thank you for watching. I'm Sophia from Volkswagen Waterloo, reminding you to stay prepared, stay alert, and drive safe this winter.
Volkswagen Waterloo, positively different.